guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. So that clip you just watched now has been trending since morning, and I've been jumping from one blog to the other to know the reason behind that Blessing CEO and Tosin Silverdam altercation and confrontation at Iyalode movie premiere by Toyin Abraham. I did not see any, not until a few minutes ago. Blessing herself and Tosin reacted on their different Instagrams. Now, let's listen to Tosin first and let's see what he has to tell the public. Let's go there.
Let me first of all lubricate my throat. They want to beat me head today. Oh God, I do. At this point, Blessing CEO is gradually losing herself. As in, that lady has lost it all because of a man. So Blessing CEO can't take what she dish out to people. For real? Blessing CEO that will sit down, mount herself, do videos, call out people, calling out late Bimbo, saying things, terrible things about late Bimbo and her family. So the thing they pain her. That's what I did yesterday. I went to Toyin Abraham's movie because people have been testing me. I didn't even know they were going to even capture it or someone even make a video or anything. And this is exactly what she wants. She wants to trend, she wants clout, she wants it to be on blog, and she came to fight, this, that. But first, let me even ask first. Even if they leave me and Blessing see you face to face, make me fight, she go beat me. Actually, they laugh. I dey laugh. Even in danger, I laugh. But, so I was on my home, JJ, having fun. I think I was eating ice cream or still with my friends. That's so blessed and a man. They just breathe. I just started from my face. They just disappear from nowhere in my face. Tosin, please, I would like to see you. What's happened? Hope there is no problem. Please, can we go there? I want to talk to you. To go do what? I don't get it. She said, please, can you go? I said, yeah, go and I will follow you. She said, I should go first. I said, no, why? Why you come with me? I don't know if I'll follow you guys. So we reached one point. I'm like, oh, yeah, what happened? That was our husband. I mean, our boyfriend. Oh, join IVD. That was that thing. I don't know you from anywhere. Don't talk about me on your page. The way you used to talk about me, you know I don't look for trouble. If you talk about me again, I will deal with you. That's what they shake. I was like, okay. It was so obvious that it was Blessing that pushed this man to do all these things. This man doesn't look like someone that has valor. I believe someone that doesn't like wahala, honestly speaking. But it was obvious that it was Blessing that pushed. She wanted to see a man in action. Doing all those shakara, those grind, everything. When you talk about me, I don't know you from anywhere. Do you think I was just looking at them, I was just smiling. Do you think I'm joking? It's okay, I have heard you. So what's happening now? Now so Blessing see you stay. I'm so dramatic. I will beat you. I am straight every time I see you. I will beat you. That's why I husband, the older man. I said, listen, hey. Inside public, she wants to fight. For someone's movie premiere, for someone's events. You will try not to fight with me. So the thing pain now. All my videos, all my laughing, they pain Blessing see you. For real. She said they advise people about relationship, blah blah, this and that. Now she's the one doing all those things that she used to advise people. Blessing CEO, I was actually disappointed because she has lost herself totally because of IVD. Blessing, have you forgotten all the things you used to say about Bimbo? About so many people, especially Bimbo. Do you know what hurts me the most? The reason I'm always doing videos about blessing and this IBD person is because of what she said about Bimbo, all the things, all the terrible things, all the evil things she said about Bimbo, late Bimbo. Because you're not living with these people, you were saying evil things about them. That thing they pain me. Anytime I see blessing and IBD, I always remember that late people. And our children. But you still have the chance, you're still following this one up and that. It's your choice anyway. Now you sabi. They now go together to events as couples, as them, Bonnie and Clyde, holding hands, husband and wife. People don't even associate with them. People don't even talk to them. They're always on their own. They won't fight me. Why is she pained? I was just laughing. Why is this one? I was not even moved. What is this one? She won't fight. She won't beat me. I will beat you when you're picking. Everyone picking. I will beat you. I'm going to be able to beat this Tosin. She's just a cloud chaser. She is a cloud chaser. Like, what is wrong with this auntie? Last time I was my bundle her. I was like, toxic sickness. So toxic. They drag her go outside. I was like, my friend was like, let us go and meet them outside. No, we can't do it for camera. If we want to fight, let's not fight for camera. Let us fight in a private. We don't need to capture us and start putting on blogs. I don't do shit like that. But let's do it in a private. People don't even see us. Oh yeah, no, my friend was like, let's go and meet them outside. So I don't even understand what are they even trying to do. They got outside and they've gone already. So we're not trying to do that for the camera to train to be on blogs and everything. Because I don't even get it. To be honest. I will beat you in this one. I was even surprised that the IBD was seriously controlled by Blessing CEO. No. No. Blessing has really, really lost it. I was disappointed. Hey! You're telling me not to talk about you again. Why? Why won't I talk about you? What I see online is what I post about or talk about. If you guys post it online, yes, I mean, you want people to talk about it. I'm not just someone that used to pry into people's business, but if you post something online, then it is my business. If it is trending, I will talk about it. I will carry my ring light and I will talk about it, whether you like it or not. Yes, that is just the fact. It is a trending topic. It is trending. You are trending. You post it on social media. So when you expect me not to talk about it, just ignore because you're IBD and Blessing CEO. No, it's not possible. Blessing, it's not possible. So you can't take what you dish out. Really? I love it. Hey, I was just laughing. I was like, why is she pained?
So Blessing CEO, on the other hand, has also reacted. In a nutshell, she said that the reason why she wanted to fight Tosin Silverdam is the fact that he always cook lies or say things that are not true about her. That she doesn't have any problem with any blog, blogging about her, saying things about her, or anytime she appears in the news, but saying things that did not happen just to tarnish her image is what she cannot condone. And she remembered that she had once told Tosin to stop. And she also promised herself that anywhere she sees Tosin, that she must fight Tosin. The opportunity called yesterday when she attended Toyin Abraham's movie premiere, Iyalode. Now, wow, it is well. Guys, what do you have to say about this? Me, I don't know what I go talk. But Tosin is all not the past to laugh now. If you have been following Tosin on Instagram or TikTok on his TikTok page account or something like that, Tosin doesn't talk too much, but that's his laugh. Hey, that's his laugh. Hey God, he better make Tosin talk than say he laugh. I think his laugh is the problem. To me, I feel that his laugh is Blessing CEO's problem. It's where she's having problem. But for Tosin saying one or two, I have not seen Tosin said anything about Blessing CEO. To be honest, I dey follow Tosin, but I'm not his. I'm not that fan. Like I'm not into him like the way I'm into Davido. I always keep up with Davido, you know, anything that concerns David. In case you have seen anywhere Tosin has spoken bad thing against or bad things against Tosin Silverdam, you can as well pour down your emotions there. Tell us, I have seen oh, Tosin oh, something like that. I wish them all the best. No be celebrity. Two of them they will settle. To be a celebrity is not easy anyways. But if you don't want somebody to talk about you, why being a celebrity? If you don't want somebody to talk about you, why being a celebrity? And you yourself, you are controversial. You talk about other people. Yes, Bessie CEO talks about other people. So why getting offended? Is it because he dragged IVD into your matter? I don't know. I'm just asking for my neighbor. I beg, I know if he shout, I get boiled for truth. Anyways, guys, that being said, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in on this channel. We react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime and true crime stories. And to my returning beautiful, wonderful, handsome, awesome, amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so much for your massive support and always watching. Bye bye for now as I'm signing off for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Bye.